and the husband is the head of your family. It also symbolizes the husband protection over his wife. He is now here, defender. To be followed by our court sponsor. The cord symbolizes infinity, the unending love, binding husband and wife. Total love now pleads to each other like a strong cord that shall never be broken. Ako nang iyon si Sir Levy. Please come to witness. Dila siguro daghan, no? Mga lang ko og duwa. Kalalaki, Pastor Marlon. Ilan. Then, Ma'am Wilotindos. Pod. Pwede din.
To my dearest friend on earth, there's no way to tell your words.
Tapos, kasi doon, Mrs. Alvarez. Dari siguro.
God said it's not good for man to be alone. I believe that you're my one and only.
Ato sa pagpirmahon. Irin.